Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
From 1988 that I met Sir Shina Peters, he's been an Egbon. There are several things that they have taught me. I have never tasted snake meat before. Snake meat, I've never eaten it before. Until, you know, every time we go on tours and Shina is eating fish, I will eat. He will just give me fish, I will eat. So one day we were in Abuja, during the Kojak, after several fish that I've eaten from him. So he brought out another fish and said, "Bah." So I was eating it and he said, "Show more cocoa and we're just gelato joy." I said, "Hey Johnny." So the other day that I saw suya in his hand, he said, "Suya lele." I said, "Don't worry." Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the microphone now. His Royal Majesty for some royal blessings. We invite His Royal Majesty Chief Dr. Adedapo.
Sir Shina Peters, we all know that's a living legend. And this is Sir Shina Peters at 60. And as a matter of fact, 777 is the number, so we're waiting for the 70th. And as a matter of fact, you know, it was with me for AY Live in Lagos. We even took the show abroad. I mean, we did a tour of UK. Awesome fellow, awesome father figure. I'm so happy to celebrate him on this day and be here as well.
Okay, so what's your relationship with Sir Shina Peters?
He's our daddy. He's industry daddy, of course. Call it a father and son kind of relationship.
Okay, so
we're getting ready now for Chief Commander Bilizogu. AY just say a word and we can get ready for Chief Commander Bilizogu. Young Peters will play after Chief Commander Bilizogu. Young Peters, get ready. Once our papa finishes, it will be you. Your hands together for Sir Shina Peters. AY, TA, Kofi, Alibaba. You will all be 60 by God's grace and even more. I mean, we just call them and hear them. These guys don't appear on stage if we don't give them 5 million. And people are rushing them. Everyone, say something.
All right, there's a special day for our daddy. There's a special day for our daddy, Shina Peters. And of course, we're all happy to be here. And we know that 60 is the perfect number. Well, we still believe in 777. Which is the number which belongs to Oluwa Shina Peters. And of course, we're not wasting your time. Another daddy figure is in the building. Somebody who has been there over time, doing what he knows how to do best. Somebody who has been able to just print his name on.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.